Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hopefully you're fine, and today we are going to start our lecture 4, and in this lecture we have to study example problem 2, example problem 3 and example problem 4. As we have learned already about the example problem 1, so now we will learn about the example problem number 2. Mrs. Ang paid $324 for a bag and three similar pair of shoes. The bag cost half as much as the three pair of shoes. Find the cost of the bag. So here in this problem, Mrs. Ang paid $324 for both, for a bag and three similar pair of shoes. She has paid $324. The bag cost is actually half as much as the three pair of shoes. Find the cost of the bag. We have to find the cost of the bag. Here you can see that she purchased three pair of the shoes. So three pair of the shoes, there will be one unit, and there will be second unit, and there will be three units. And bag cost is half than shoes, so it will be 1.5 units. So we can say that the total there will be shoes 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total number of the shoes will be 6, and half cost is of the bag cost. So total number of the units will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in bags there are units are 1 2 3. 3 units of the bag and 6 units of the shoes. Total unit will be 9, and she paid $324 for 9 units. 6 will be shoes in pairs, 2 pair, 2 pair, 2 pair. So 6 will be shoes, and there will be 3 units for bag. So total will be 9 unit, and for 9 units she paid $324. It means we will, for finding the 1 unit cost, we will divide $324 by 9 units. When we will divide the $324 with 9, we will get our answer will be $36. So it means that 1 unit cost is $36, and bag there are 3 units, and for 3 unit cost will be 3 multiplied by $36. When we will multiply 36 with the 3, the answer will be $108. It means that the bag cost is $108. So this was our problem number 2. Now we are coming at the problem number 3. Okay, here the problem is Mr. Tan is 55 years old and Tony is 7 years old. In how many years time will Mr. Tan be 4 times as old as Tony? Okay, the current age of the Mr. Tan is 55 years old, and the current age of the Tony is 7 years old. And the problem is, in how many years time will Mr. Tan be 4 times? Mr. Tan will be 4 times than Tony. Okay, so now we will find first the difference of their age. That will be 55 minus 7, 48. Now we can say that the Mr. Tan is 48 years older than Tony, because their age difference is 48 years. Okay, but as problem is saying that Mr. Tan, in how many years will Mr. Tan be 4 times? Mr. Tan will be 4 times, and Tony will be then Tony. So Tony, we are considering that it is a 1 unit, and Mr. Tan will be 4 times than Tony. So we are considering 4 unit for Mr. Tan. 1 2 3, and this is the 4, and 1 unit for Mr. Tan. Okay, the age difference, if we see their current age difference, that is a 48 years old, means we can say this is the age difference between Tony and Mr. Tan. So we will put 48 years here. It means that the 48 years, if we put 48 years in Tony age, then Tony and Mr. Tan will be same years old. So we can see here the 48 years is from here to here is their age difference. So it is covering only 3 units. Means we can say that the 3 units are equal to 48 years old. So 3 units equal to 48. So finding 1 unit, we will divide 48 by 3. When we will divide 48 by 3 by division, we will find that the answer will come 16. So it means that the 1 unit equal to 16 years. As we will subtract the Tony current age from this 16 years, then we will got 1 unit. So 16 minus 7 will be equal to 9. It means that the 1 unit will be equal to 9. In this sense, we can say that Mr. 10 will be 4 times as Tony in 9 years time. Means it will take, now Tony will take 9 years, and after 9 years Mr. 10 will be 4 times as old as now, as old as Tony will as old as Tony in after 9 years. Tony and Mr. 10, Mr. 10 will be 4 time, will become 4 time then Tony after 9 years. So this is our answer of this problem number 3. Now we are coming to the next problem, and that is example problem number 4. And in this problem, bus route A arrives at a stop every 15 minutes, and bus route B arrives at a stop across the street every 40 minutes. Okay, bus A arrives after every 15 minutes and bus B arrives at its stops after every 40 minutes. If both buses are currently arriving at their stops, how many hours will pass before both arrives will be at the same time? Okay, if both buses arrives now at the same time, after how many hours will be both buses will be arrive at the same time? If we see that the bus arrives at stop A after 15 minutes, so the next multiple of the 15 will be, we can say that after 15 minutes it will, bus A will come again at this stop after 30 minutes, and bus A will also come at this route after 45 minutes, and bus A will also come after 60 minutes at same stop after 60 minutes, and bus A will also arrive after 75 minutes at this stop also. So these are the multiple of the 15. So or we can say these are the timings of the bus A. Bus A arrive at this route. So these are the timings: 15, 30, 45, 16, 75, 90, 105 and 120, because these are the multiple of the 15. And bus B will arrive after every 40 minutes. So these are also multiple: 40 plus 40, 80, 80 plus 40, 120. So we have to see which time they will arrive at the same time. So the same multiple is 120 here, and the same multiple is 120 here. So we can say that after 120 minutes, bus A and bus B will arrive at the same time. So 120 is our answer, as 120 in minutes, and the question is asking about hours. So 120, when we will divide this 120 by 60, so the answer will be 2 hours. So we can say that after 2 hours both buses will arrive at the same time. So this is our answer. Okay, so this was our lecture number 4. Inshallah we will meet in lecture number 5. Allah Hafiz, take care.